Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use Basic. Let's begin with the tutorial How to change the language in Google Chrome. Open your Google Chrome, then in the top right corner you can see a vertical 3 dots. Tap on it to open the drop down menu. From the drop down, select Settings, scroll down on the bottom of Settings page and click on the Language section. Click on Language to expand the language settings. You will see a list of language. To add a new language, click on Add Language. A list of available language will appear. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find your preferred language. Once you find the language, check the box next to it and click Add. After adding the language, click the 3 vertical dot next to the language you want to use and select Move to the top. Sets it as primary language. You can also check the box next to Display Google Chrome in this language if you want Chrome to display menu and settings in this language. If you select the option to display Chrome in the new language, you will need to restart Chrome for the change to take effect. A prompt will appear asking you to relaunch the browser. Click on it, then your language will be changed. Thank you for watching this video.